Hey, I'm Wes from Noria,
I'm Kyle from AssetWatch.
and we want to talk to you about 3 main things that you might be missing whenever it comes to your predictive maintenance program. So first, let's talk about oil analysis.
Yeah, so oil is the lifeblood of our equipment. It gives us some really good early indicators, and it also tells us about how that asset's living its life.
That's it, right? Tells us a whole story of these things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Second, we'd say vibration analysis.
Yes, absolutely. So, everything vibrates. If it's in motion, if it's rotating, it's going to vibrate. So that's going to give us some really key indicators on, are we seeing anomalies with gearing? Are we seeing anomalies with bearings? So it's another very powerful tool to keep in your reliability toolbox.
And then the third one here, and I find it interesting, as you say, let's treat the oil as an asset.
Absolutely. For so long, we've just thrown oil away. We change the oil, we see an issue, change it, throw it away. It's not getting any cheaper.
Yeah.
There's a lot of oils out there that, we're seeing $100+ per gallon.
Yes.
On some oils. It is not cheap. We need to start looking at it as an asset that we also care for.
Mm-hmm.
We need to keep it cool. We need to keep it clean. We need to keep it dry.
Sure thing.
Fundamental things.
Yes.
But we see so many places that still struggle with those things.
Well, what's ironic is the whole clean, cool, and dry mantra, right? Noria, we've promoted that from the mountaintops forever. That helps the oil analysis program. That helps the vibration program. That helps the overall reliability of the plant.
It does. They all work in conjunction with each other.
Yeah, so if we're going out there and we're seeing, spin-on caps that are basically steel wool cans, they're not keeping the contaminants out.
They are not.
You see a garden hose on the machine because it's running hot. It's not keeping the moisture out.
That is not.
So treating it as an asset, right? It's not a consumable. It can have a very prolonged life if we do these things correctly.
Absolutely can. I've seen some very successful lubricant life extension projects that have taken oil from being changed every 2 months to seeing over 2 years on that same oil, just by keeping it cool, clean, and dry.
Absolutely. Use your data sources, your oil analysis, and your vibration program as kind of the root of this record keeping, and then be upstream of that. Take care of your oil.
Absolutely.
All right. Now, AssetWatch has some great resources and some great tools out there to very much help with your oil analysis and your vibration programs and start treating our oil like an asset, right?
Absolutely.
Well, to find out more, visit the link below, and we'll see you here on the next video.